And then I was supposed to be on Baby. I forgot. Now I'm supposed to warn you. Ain't baby poop worth a doggone.
This where you're looking there.
I got
Looking there.
folic acid. But this is also has
It's recording you.
it also has the folic acid and the B12 too, so to pump it up too high.
Right.
So I can't take them.
Right.
You see, I'm just
See y'all later.
everything.
Yeah, I don't need on.
Hey everybody, I know I look normal, but this is what I'm doing today. I'm out here, like, look, I'm out here. I know a lot of people might know where I'm at right now, because I'm out in the world, and I'm just recording myself because I'm actually going to a game today, and I bet I'm going to have so much fun. I just want to thank my bosses, and I want to thank everybody that actually gave me this opportunity. I want to thank my co-worker that came with me today for coming and helping me out so much, and being such a cool, supportive team today. Thank you, everybody. See you guys soon.
Yo! All right. Oh, Wade went through with the quickness. Ladies and gentlemen, give him back.
Remember, bath, don't just brush, spit brush.
Be our guest, put our service to the test. Tie your napkin round your neck, Sherry. Why, we only live to serve. Try the gray stuff, it's delicious. Dishes, they can sing, they can dance. To all this is France. And the dinner here is never second best. Go on, unfold your menu, take a glance, and then you'll be our guest. We our guest, be our guest.
Even though the sound of it is something wonderful, ferocious. If you say it loud enough, you'll always sound precocious.
Because I was afraid to speak the lie, but just a lady. Mother gave me nails and quick, told me I was bad. But then one day I learned a word to say we ain't the nose.
The biggest word we've ever heard, and this is how we think. It's supercalifragilisticexpialidocious. Even though the sound of it is something wonderful, ferocious. If you say it loud enough, you'll always sound precocious.
Because I was afraid to speak the lie, but just a lady.
It's supercalifragilisticexpialidocious. Even though the sound of it is something wonderful, ferocious. If you say it loud enough, you'll always sound precocious.
Because I was afraid to speak the lie, but just a lady. Mother gave me nails and quick, told me I was bad. But then one day I learned a word to say we ain't the nose.
The biggest word we've ever heard, and this is how we think. It's supercalifragilisticexpialidocious. Even though the sound of it is something wonderful, ferocious. If you say it loud enough, you'll always sound precocious.
Because I was afraid to speak the lie, but
What are you looking for? Under the sea. Under the sea. Darling, it's better down there, it's better. Take it from me. I'm they work all day. Out in the sun, they slave away. Oh, if you put it, put it, put it, you better see. Coming for the fish is happy. But fish in the pool is not. They in for a worse of fate. Oh, under the sea.
Day after the baseball game. I just want to thank everybody for the opportunity. I want to thank everybody that was there, you know, with me, everybody that sponsored it, everybody that gave me the opportunity. I just want to thank everybody for actually allowing me to experience my first baseball game. I mean, ever since I had that experience, I probably would never be the same. I don't know what it is about baseball and seeing it live. But trust me when I tell you, it's a life changer. They had a lot of good giveaways, and I mean, not that that matters because I wasn't expecting a thing. But when I started seeing them say, hey, 10% off this, $1 off that, everybody's going to get one, I'm like, what? Like, I was really shocked. So for this being my first experience at a baseball game, I just want to thank everybody who gave me this opportunity and trusted in me and allowed me to, you know, take that trip. Thank you very much. This goes out to you. Thank you to everybody with their hospitality, all the nice people that I met there. The kids were wonderful. I mean, oh, it was amazing. I cannot begin to thank these people enough. I'm not sure if I'm allowed to name any names, so if you know who you are, Miss Lady, thank you so much. You should know who you are. I guess you were in charge of it. Thank you so much. I had the best time of my life, and I will never forget that experience. It was my first time, and I just want to thank you so much. It means the world to me. I hope everybody enjoyed the video. I got as much as I could on tape. I'm not too sure if I was allowed to record, so that's why it's not that much. It's not that much footage, but I tried my best to take you guys with me throughout my day. Enjoy the rest of my videos. If you like it, you can subscribe to the video. And also, if you actually like baseball, you can thumbs up the video, whatever you want to do, share it, you know. It was my first experience, so I'm excited. See you guys.